13. Look at Patriots of War, American Revolution. American Revolution, America.
Revolutionary War.
I love America.
I do too. Duel.
Wait, it's not. We're gonna take. It's like deja vu. We did a video right like here, and you said we're gonna duel. We're gonna duel again.
The matrix is broken.
So we're gonna take a walk to Colonial.
10 paces. Turn and flip. Can we do that?
No. Like all that moss. I've seen it in New Orleans for sale at like at like little souvenir shops.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so
Making money.
making money. Cemetery. Keep your pets on leash. Oh, Jim.
Forgot my leash at home.
Bug?
Please. Some of the oldest graves here. Predates the Civil War, the Revolutionary War.
How come I never saw this last time we were here?
I don't know, it's different. I wasn't here before.
It had to have been.
I don't think so.
I'll have to go through old footage and
I
stuff.
know. The mausoleums. Over by the second mausoleum from the playground. Right?
Squirrels.
I imagine we're probably walking on graves anyways. Even though there's no markings. Holcomb.
Can barely read them.
H.M. Son of H.F. Holcomb. Wow.
I just blew a kiss to everybody.
I know.
Well, we did the back wall last time we were here.
Yeah.
So I'll just link that somewhere.
And then we'll just walk
Around the other parts we didn't walk around last time.
Yeah.
Let's go to the left then.
That's a good idea.
It's a nice breeze at least.
It is.
But that one's all fenced
Hmm.
in.
Maybe that's there for support, like they had it tied up while they were.
Keep some people touching it and stuff.
Maybe because of the way that it's broke off, they might have put some sealer or some concrete in there to build it back up. If you see anything weird,
Isn't there like a video?
you can make a comment.
A little boy jumping into.
It's somewhere, one of these trees, there's a kid took a video and had to review it, and then jumped out of a tree and ran. It was like this whitish, like a kind of a foggy looking.
So what we're gonna do right now is we're taking a little walk through Colonial Park. We've been here before and we've done video here before, but we're just gonna look around, and then after this we're gonna head that way on Dayton Street. There's a little gas station convenience store, and we're gonna grab some yummies because it's supposed to downpour all day tomorrow, so we might not do anything much.
Get some snacks
And
see
I want a
what.
big giant cup of icy drink,
Yeah.
because the rain, it's supposed to be raining the whole day, actually the whole week.
Right.
So, but our Airbnb is so beautiful that it's a nice little break.
Yeah. Oh, it's a squirrel. I was like, what is it? Saw something over there. Do you feel it?
No, I feel more in our Airbnb. I think our Airbnb is haunted.
I wish I was smart enough to bring my
We don't need to.
investigation kit.
We'll just set out traps.
Ooh, a sign. Is that way you can see it too?
On the Dublin Island. What's really sad is there's a lot more homeless people in the park today than I've ever seen the last few times we've been here.
Yeah.
America, we can do better than this.
We can. We have to take care of each other.
This is the dullest grave.
Yeah. Kind of little eerie feeling. I did too. Was it really a rock?
We did this one, but I thought this was over there. Oh, we wandered.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, we've done this one before.
Yeah. The duelist grave.
I'm gonna film Jim looking at this stuff.
I know, right?
Come on, Jim. Take us.
Look.
That lady. She's a ghost. No, she's a real person.
Yeah.
Whew. Let's go this way. I know. I was gonna go this way though.
Make another little circle. Kind of crisscross through here.
Yeah, a little bit. Wow, the humidity is so bad.
Imagine if we would have went to New Orleans.
Oh gosh, New Orleans would have been bad too,
Oh yeah.
wouldn't it?
Would have had a moss coat. Haha. I think Louisiana is where if you catch your own.
Wait, there's this breeze. You feel it?
Louisiana should make a rule that if you catch your own mosquito and you can ride it, then you could get it.
Name it and call it.
Then you should be able to register it and use it as transportation.
Every once in a while,
Zing!
you get a really nice breeze that's not humid, and then it's gone.
Yeah.
Here, look at these.
The moss definitely puts a vibe to it. You know?
This is haunted right here. I can feel it.
And they closed the gate. They locked the gates at night, so that way you can't.
Well, probably busy.
I think because people would probably be in here disturbing and doing things that they shouldn't be doing. Colonel James S. McIntosh. And then there's, oh boy, General McIntosh.
Oh, I feel that breeze. Oh,
That feels good.
it's really good.
And over there's Dayton Street.
What's over there? Well, Dayton Street's where we're heading now. So,
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
That's a crazy looking tree.
Oh, wow. Very weird.
Wow. It's sad.
What is that?
So like, I wonder if the Civil War soldiers that were here, if this is part of,
The ones that got broken and put on the wall.
yeah, with the headstones that were broken off. And then there's stories that they'd used some of the graves to
Hide hide in.
hide in and cuddle up and sleep in during the winter.
There's another sign. Truthfully, I think like old cemeteries are cool, but it takes up a lot of real estate. And for example, this is a park, so they have funding, right? Some funding probably, but like a lot of gravestones, like these probably don't have any ancestors that are gonna upkeep things. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And it's not like, I think you can pay for upkeep of your tombstone for years, right?
I think so.
For decades after you die. But when you're talking about 200 years,
Yeah.
that $15 you spent for upkeep is long gone.
Right.
Yeah, so I don't know.
Another historian.
See what the oldest cemetery in the world looks like.
Oh yeah.
The oldest cemetery in the world. Guess who's gonna Google that when we get back?
Yeah.
So I'd like to see like well, obviously there'd be like, what's it called? Those burial grounds. But I'm saying like an actual headstone.
Oh, like the burial mounds.
Yeah, but
and
that would be the oldest. But I'm like talking
Yeah.
about like a headstone
Like-
kind of.
like I think in England.
Yeah.
You know,
But I'm
like-
talking about like the oldest headstones.
Like maybe the 1200s.
I don't even think they would last that long. So
I
we're
don't
gonna
know.
Google that later.
We'll have to check that out. And if you have an idea or you know, make a
Because-
comment below. And also, while you're making your comment, hit that like button.
Subscribe. We got some cruises coming up too. They're not all cemeteries.
No. Another notable Georgian, Edward Green Malbone.
Miniature painting.
Let's see.
Wow, not yet 30 years of age.
Huh.
Okay, you wanna go down there and look, or I think we've been down there last time.
Yeah, we were down there last time. It's a nice looking wrought iron fence.
It is kind of neat. You know what I'd hate to be?
Wonder if that's like a governor or
I
something.
hate to be the ones like surrounding him. Like, not good enough to be inside.
Right? Can't get in there. Ah, the gate's open. They're out roaming around.
Let me just look at my trusty map here.
Handy dandy map.
We've been here enough. You'd think we'd know our way. And we kind of do, but I just want to make sure we're not going to take some weird street and then wind up somewhere we don't want to be.
Right. Bridget Gillespie. That's interesting.
Hey, Jim,
Valerie.
you want to do a little side trip?
Sure.
You know where you're going to go?
Crazy?
You're already crazy. Love this man, but oh man, is he sometimes hard to deal with. Parker's Market.
Oh yeah.
Urban Gourmet.
Yeah.
Whew. Belgian gas station. Ta-da! Boo! We're gonna get some 88.9 large fountain drinks.
That's right.
Yeah. Never pay full price again. Oh, there's nothing there though. That's cute. You want a drink? So much.
No, lots of food.
Food.
Coffee and
Tea.
drink.
I'm gonna get that on the way when we're done. You want intense nacho?
Non-spicy.
Okay, you can get it if you want.
Never had these tacos.
Jim loves his junk food. There's coffee. You want coffee?
No, I'll wait until we
Please.
get.
There's no food left. Dog food, chips, beer. Oh,
Dog treats.
oh, for the tree.
Oh, I thought it was I was thinking like that's baby size.
For a baby would swallow it and eat it.
Yeah.
Get everything we need for a nice evening. Oh, wine. Where are you?
I was looking at the noodles.
We have noodle cups.
I know. I was
Okay.
just checking the price.
We compare prices. There's ice cream and candy. Anything else? Oh, Jim.
Oh, Valerie.
This is my
Oh,
favorite
freeze
brand.
dried.
That's my favorite brand,
I know.
too. No, my teeth don't need it. You want food? This is what I wanted. Wanted a big drink, Jim.
Yeah. We got the goodies.
We got a little goodies. 89-cent drinks
89-cent bars.
for the walk back. Jim, first Girl Scouts headquarters. Bet you didn't know that was here. He knew it was here. This is the first Girl Scout headquarters in America. It's really cool. I was a Girl Scout, Jim.
I know.
I was a Girl
heard
Scout.
that.
Yep. My mom was the leader. Girl Scouts. Thumbs up.
Girl Scout. Rawr.
Arr. The birthplace of the Girl Scouts. Do they have a museum, right?
I believe it is.
If it's raining tomorrow, this is just around the corner.